Let's see how to put text on top of a picture in Microsoft Word. So first off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see here, we have our document ready. Now let's go ahead and insert our picture. Now, right now, we can try to type, but all that does is place your text right above the picture and not directly on it. So one method we can do is by first clicking on layout options and clicking on the behind text option right here. What that does is that it places the picture behind your text. So you'll notice that whenever you type, you can have your text right on top of your picture. However, to make it look cleaner, click on the Insert tab again, click on Text Box, and click on Simple Text Box. Now, right here, you can choose to format your text or place it as it is. So for example, let's type in our text. Now let's format it through Word Art Styles. And let's increase the font. And here, optionally, you can go to Shape Format and change the shape fill to no fill, as well as remove the shape outline. And from here on, you can be as creative as you want. And as you can see here, you can place your text on top of your picture as if it's directly a part of the picture. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.